Greetings fellow 50p collectors, Coin Snatcher here, and an update on the Isle of Man Viking ship series of 50p's. Almost forgot what I was going to say there. So this coin is a 1979 coin, and this is one of the coins that has the edge inscription on it. For those of you that haven't watched any of these videos before, this is the tray, and it has spaces for 28 different coins. So all of these coins are in effect, to a certain extent, the same coin. They're all 1979. They all have the same design on the obverse of them, which is the Viking longship in full sail. And what's interesting with these coins is firstly the die mark on them. So if you haven't watched before, the die mark is at the very front of the ship, and it's just nestled in the waves at the front of the ship. And in this case the die mark is two little A's. So it was available with an AA die mark and also available with an AB die mark. And then what makes these coins even more collectible is that all of these coins have an edge inscription on them. So if we can just get the camera to focus in on that, we can see it says HM, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, Royal Visit, Isle of Man, July 1979. And because the coins are fed into the machine in a random order, the edge inscription can start on any one of 7 different sides. So in this particular coin, when you hold the Queen's head up and you look at the writing is the correct way up in relation to the Queen's head. It's nice and easy to read. So this is the first row, AA die mark with the writing the correct way up. The second row is the AA die mark, but on these coins the writing is upside down. And then we have the same again for the AB die mark, writing correct way up and writing upside down. So we have a coin that's going to join this collection tonight, and this coin was on eBay. Now normally these coins go from anywhere sort of between 10 to 20 pounds each. A lot of it depends on the condition of them, and you can just see with the majority of these coins the condition of them is all very, very nice. So normally say 15 to 20 pounds in cost, and this particular coin was on eBay for £4.77. So a lot of the times when these coins are sold on eBay, the pictures are second-rate quality, and it's quite hard to make the die mark out when you look at the pictures. So with this one, when I had a look at it, I couldn't actually make the die mark out on it or not. So when I got it today, the first thing I did was to check the die mark, and if we zoom in on that, we're going a little bit further, we can see that this has the AB die mark on it. So this coin straight away has to go into one of these 2 rows. And then the second thing to do is to have a look at the edge inscription on it. So we hold it the correct way up, and we have a look at the wording, and we can see there the word is Royal, but when looking at the Queen's head, it's upside down. So this means it goes in this second row for the AB coins. And as I say, these edge inscriptions can start off in any one of 7 different positions. So with this coin, I wasn't really able to ascertain where the edge inscription was. The pictures sort of showed a flat coin like that, whereas really you sort of need to see the coin like that to be able to work out what the word is. So at £4.77 and a little bit of postage to go on top, I thought I'll roll the dice on this and see what happens. So the coin arrived today, check the die mark on it, AB die mark. The word that goes in the Queen's head, in the neck of the Queen's head there you'll see, is Royal. And when I look over at my little list, we've got Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth, Royal. So that coin needs to go into this little capsule here. All the words here, QE2, HM, they need to appear on this section of the coin. Oh, just like that. So if they appear on that section of the coin, then that's the coin that goes in that capsule. So if we pop that out, pop the little bit of card over, and we can pop this one in here. Oh, sorry, in this one. So there we go. So that was a lucky touch. Rolled the dice and came up with aces. Happy days. So that's one less of those coins to worry about. Getting there quite nicely with this collection of 50p's. Hopefully at some point we'll be able to get 28 of them. It is getting more and more difficult to track down the ones I need. And these AB die mark coins tend to be the rarer ones. I think there's less of the ABs than there are of the AAs. It would have been nice if that had been an AA die mark with the writing upside down and royal, but being an AB, it had to come down here. So that's it for this little update. Another Edge Inscribed 1979 Isle of Man 50p joins the collection. Join me for another update very soon. Peace and love. Coin Snatcher out.